How's it going, everyone? I'm going to do something a little different on this YouTube. I'm going to recommend a product that I use all the time on my vehicles when I work on them. I always get a lot of comments about how to do certain things if a light comes on your dash, and this is the tool to have. I'll go over some of the features it has. If you guys are going to do work on your own vehicles, I highly recommend that you pick one of these up. I mean, you can't go wrong with having one of these. So it comes with this tool, as well as this wire that plugs in to the top of the tool. And then you have this OBD2 port that plugs into your vehicle. So to use this tool, you're going to want to go ahead and turn your ignition to the on position and locate your OBD2 port and just go ahead and plug the plug into it. And now that it's plugged into the vehicle, it's connecting. And you can see I have some codes. So it's pretty simple to erase your codes. You're going to just go ahead and click the erase, and yes, erase was successful. Now it's going to run through and do everything. The scanner has all kinds of neat features. Click on system status. You can see you can scan for your OBD2 codes, your anti-lock brake system, your airbag system, tire pressure monitoring system. And for each vehicle, it's going to have different things. This is a Volkswagen, so you can go through that. Or you can do an all module scan, and it'll scan through every single system in the vehicle. We'll go ahead and do that. 2008 Volkswagen Jetta with the 2.5, yes. And you can see we got one for the Climatronic control module. But we can click on menu. You can get vehicle information. You can test your battery and alternator. Drive cycle procedures. You can reset services, like your oil reset. If you switch your battery and you need to configure it, you can do battery reset. Steering angle, which a lot of the new cars have this. Electronic park brake. Your ABS bleeding. You can also do live data. And you'll start your vehicle up and you'll be able to see what everything's running at, your exhaust temperature, your map, RPM. Even when you're driving, you'll see your vehicle speed. It's a pretty neat tool to have, well worth the money. I highly recommend it if you do things yourself all the time. So it also has this app. So it's searching for the scan tool, and now it's just going to retrieve all the data from your scan tool. Just type in your miles, 218, 585. And you can see my car's throwing 14 codes. Not good. It's not ready for emissions test. For maintenance items, this says 21. Predicted repairs, 0. You can see recalls, warranties, get vehicle history report. I'll make sure I put the link for this tool in the description. I know most of you that watch my videos enjoy doing it yourself. You guys save a lot of money. You don't have to deal with the hassle of a dealership or a shop. And I can guarantee that this tool will come in handy anytime you have a problem with your vehicle and you need to find out what's going on with it. So yeah, I definitely highly recommend this to anyone. So if you're looking to pick one of these up, I'd say go for it.